Nerd Junior 101, and today in this video we will be talking about chromosomes. Now, chromosomes by definition are basically DNA molecules packed into thread-like structures. So they make up the structure of DNA because they are molecules. Now, some science classes will teach this, some of them will not. Mainly in the 7th grades and in other, well, at least in where I live, and maybe they teach them, they don't teach them all, I don't know, but for those that don't teach this at all, I will be explaining it to you, alright? So, I already read chromosomes are DNA molecules packed into thread-like structures. Now, each chromosome is created by DNA tightly wrapping around the proteins called histones that support the structure. So the histones support the structure by, how do you want to put it? Basically, the support beam on a construction site, holds up the weight. They hold, and the structure are helixes or DNA strands. Chromosomes are invisible, even in microscopes, which makes them below subatomic. In the nucleus, now this is in one condition. In the nucleus, when the cell is not currently dividing, that means it's not reproducing or splitting. However, when the DNA that makes up chromosomes becomes more tightly packed during cell division, which is again dividing, and is then visible under a microscope, just normal microscope, not electron microscopes or I have to see subatomic. Each chromosome has a constriction point called the centromere, which divides a chromosome into two sections or arms. So it's not exactly division like cells, but it's basically two parts of it, or arms. The short arm is called the P arm. The long arm is called the Q arm. The location of the centromere on each chromosome gives the chromosome its characteristic shape and can be used to help the location of specific genes, and the location being, anyway. Alright, that is it for Chromosomes Explained. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. We will be talking about genetic deformities, the most notable ones and the chances of that happening. Alright, see ya.